Hello everyone. I joined the Vedic Numerology Kundli matching course of Mr. Joy Banerjee. This is Vedic-Astro.in, and this is a really wonderful course. There is so much of insight into how we can understand the marriage alliance and the compatibility of the boy and the girl, or the husband and wife. And he also provided so many remedies that one can do to make one's marital life good. So I would really recommend everyone to join this and really gain from the kind of knowledge that he has shared so beautifully. He, as far as a teacher, he is wonderful because he's very patient and takes up all the questions very patiently, without leaving any doubt cleared. Thank you very much, and please do join this course.